All right, this is the Whirlpool dryer, and I have removed the parts because I'm trying to access the heating element right down here, and it's not heating. Yeah, it's not heating. So that's my project. I'm gonna remove those wires and then I'm gonna remove this screw right here. That should do the removal of the whole thing. The trick on this Whirlpool, so the lid on the top, all you gotta do is remove the screws in the back of this, right in here. Remove it, and then you can slide the top off. It pops out from here and just slides. Then you take two screws from here, one and then the other, and that pops up the face shield.
That's the
That's
computer
right here.
panel.
Face shield.
That's a computer panel. So once you remove it from there,
disconnect the wires. That wire right there. Disconnect that wires. That goes through. It goes through here. It goes through that hole there. So once you pop it out, then you're able to access the screws. Oh, right here. There's 1, 2, and then another one down there. And then you got two in the bottom, and I think you got another one right in the middle here. Right here. 2 right here, but this. Yeah, I never put it back. These 2 right here, so that's it. I left the wire connected to the door. It was the sun that we're gonna taking it off. I couldn't take that off, so I left it. Just ripped it, and yeah. Okay. This is a connection for. It goes to this. So. And that's it. Well, let's remove this part right here. Well, I took it out. Here it is. It was big of a wiggle. Just gotta be careful when you taking it out from there. This connects right on that one right there, and it backs out, and just wiggle it out nice and easy through there. And here it is. And I checked them with the continuity. You gotta do is put one here, the other one here, and on your thing, make sure you select. I don't know which one you got, but continuity, that symbol right there. E0. Yeah, let me show you right quick since I'm right here. Put it selected to that. Right now, if there's a connection, it should say 0. See? So I have connection. I have connection on here, there, and there. This out. This one right here, because this is kind of loose here. So if this is a bad one, even though I'm getting continuity on both sides, this the main power here. So they got to communicate. So somehow, this could be something wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna double check this. So that's what I'm troubleshooting right now. And of course, that's where your wires. Those wires get real hot in there. So yeah, everything's good here, but checking the back of the dryer. It's not clogged. So that's good. You can see the light on the other side. So far, there's nothing wrong with the heating element. So now I'm coming down here. This is the exhaust that goes out. Okay, I cleaned it too, inside, outside, and I also checked the continuity on both of these, the one with the red wires and the one with the blue wire. They seem to be good. The one with the blue wires is more fuse, I'm sorry, thermofuse, the one with the blue wires. That seems to be good. I even checked the one with the red wires. There's no problems either. There shows good connection on those. Right down here, I also vacuumed a little down there too. That's the motor, looks like down there. The machine runs, it's just I'm not getting that heating to work good. Yeah, I'm gonna put them together and see what happens. I didn't find anything wrong, so I put it back together, the heating element. It is, you know, difficult to get back in there, so you gotta wiggle it around, make sure, you know, you get in there, you don't rip any wires when you put it back in there or something like that, so just be careful. Where the exhaust goes, the lint in here, even in here, I cleaned all through there inside with a vacuum, and hopefully that would fix. I had a lot of lint in the connectors, like this kind of stuff. I had it in there, in here, right in there, and even in the connectors right here. So get that cleaned out should help. All right, okay. I'm gonna connect the wires now. All right, I carefully connected the wires. As you can see, they're back the way they were. Yeah, let's see. Can I get closer? Closer. That's, yeah. That right there, that wire right there, it's kind of dirty there. The one right here, all that is just lint. Thing looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna put now the panel. Putting the panel. Just gonna put it right here. I'm gonna connect these guys right into that one. Put the screws in there. And so is this one too. Boom. One on the other side too. If anything, at least, you know, I got that door on there. If anything, I did a deep cleaning on the machines. That would be the reason. I'm gonna let you know. I'm almost done connecting everything, so I think now I just gotta put this the computer. Gotta put it right here, which is that. Put it in here. Remember, if you take it off, make sure that you disconnect it and put those wires through here. If you disconnect the computer, if you disconnect these wires, I forget which one it was, one of these, this one or this one, you can reset the whole thing. I think this might be going bad, so I'm gonna have to order that piece and see what happens. Yeah. So I put it upright, and I'm gonna put the panel. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna try to fix this thing right here. This thing got separated. All right, so I put some Gorilla Glue in the back there, and put some tape to hold it down, and it's working. It's working. So that fixed it. Now I'm gonna connect it here. I'm gonna put these wires through here. That's where it came from. And eventually it's gonna connect over down there. And this thing should fall right in. It should sit right in that groove there, right? Yeah, it should sit right in that groove. Yeah, here you go. It should be good. That should sit right there. There you go. I think it's in there. All right, I think we're good. All right, now I gotta connect these wires. Obviously the short one doesn't reach there, so it goes here. I think that's how it slides right in right there. Yeah, yeah, that's the way it is. Connects, there you go. It's pushed in. And then this one goes in here. Yeah, that's it. So sometimes this machine's been acting up. It's more than 5 years old now. So online technical people have said that these things are coming bad on these machines. Whirlpool. There's 2 times already it fails on me. It stops heating, or the door gets, like, you open it, it stops. When you close it, it still wants to run even when the computer's off. So once I disconnect the wires from here, yeah, it works. But I forget which one. I usually go in and disconnect this one, or this one, or this one right here. Can I pull this one out? I don't know. Can I take this one out? Let me see. Nope. Squeeze on it real good. Yeah. Take that one out too. I think that's what they say. Move those suckers out, you know, and that should reset the whole thing. Disconnect this one too. This one too. Right, don't forget to put these screws on to hold this computer panel. Okay. Right, once you got the lid on there, it's an easy install. Match those holes in the back and put those screws on there. And that's what I'm about to do. Just I gotta get the other socket. Test this out. Let's see if we got some heat. Blowing off in the back. Got this moving. We got heat. We got heat coming out. It's just that this thing got disconnected. So we good. It was sounding kind of with noise there. I don't know. Maybe it needs to get balanced up or something. All right, that's good. Good news. Yeah, it's getting warm in there. Good. It's getting warm. It's getting warm. All right, so we're good. I think we're good. Let's see if this is... All right. Is it hot in there? Yes, it is. Oh, yeah, it's real hot. So we got heat coming. All right, good. It's fixed. Hope this helps.